Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change profile image in Discord. To start, open Discord. When you do this, click on User Settings at the bottom. Now here, go to My Account. There, click on Edit User Profile. When you are here, hover your mouse over the current image and click on the pencil, then click Change Avatar. In this window, you can use a GIF, but in this case, we click Upload Image. You will select the desired image for your profile. Click on Open. If you need, you can adjust the size and position of the image. Click Apply, then you are going to click on Save Changes. It's that simple to change your profile image on Discord. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.